Welcome to Tech Talk. The construction industry is undergoing a digital revolution, and the technologies reshaping how we build are more advanced than most people realize. According to Deloitte's 2026 Engineering and Construction Industry Outlook, we're witnessing a fundamental shift from labor-intensive, fragmented practices to a digitally enabled ecosystem. Today, we're breaking down the 5 construction technologies that are redefining the industry. Technology number 1, Agentic AI. First up is Agentic AI. Unlike traditional AI assistants that simply provide suggestions, Agentic AI systems autonomously manage complex construction scheduling, coordinate workflows across multiple teams, and actively mitigate project risks. These systems can identify potential disruptions before they occur and implement solutions in real time. AI-driven tools are now optimizing designs, automating calculations, and managing schedules with minimal human intervention. This means project teams can anticipate problems and respond to changing conditions faster than ever before, improving cost estimation and risk management across entire projects. Technology number 2, computer vision and safety analytics. Construction sites are some of the most dangerous work environments, but computer vision technology is changing that. Safety-focused computer vision systems can now identify hazards in seconds, dramatically improving compliance and reducing incident rates. Real-time safety analytics scan job sites continuously, flagging unsafe conditions, missing protective equipment, and potential accident scenarios before anyone gets hurt. This technology is becoming essential for firms competing for large, federally funded projects where safety standards are non-negotiable. Technology number 3, BIM, 3D printing, and digital twins. Building information modeling, or BIM, combined with 3D printing and digital twin technology, is streamlining how projects move from concept to completion. Digital workflows enable more accurate project planning and minimize costly rework. The impact is substantial. These technologies can reduce project timelines by up to 20%. Digital twins create virtual replicas of physical buildings, allowing teams to simulate construction processes, test modifications, and identify issues before breaking ground. When integrated with 3D printing, construction firms can fabricate complex components off-site with precision, then assemble them rapidly on location. Technology number 4, Internet of Things devices. IoT devices supported by 5G connectivity are transforming asset tracking and predictive maintenance. Sensors embedded in equipment provide real-time data on machine performance, location, and condition. This helps minimize costly downtime and optimize resource allocation, especially on complex projects where equipment coordination is critical. Instead of reacting to equipment failures, construction managers can now predict maintenance needs before breakdowns occur, keeping projects on schedule and within budget. Technology number 5, autonomous equipment and robotics. Autonomous machinery and robotics are moving beyond pilot programs into early-stage deployment on actual construction sites. These technologies address labor shortages while improving safety by automating repetitive or hazardous tasks. Autonomous bulldozers, excavators, and material transport vehicles can operate with minimal human oversight, allowing firms to scale operations more efficiently. Robotic systems are also being deployed for tasks like bricklaying, welding, and concrete finishing, performing these jobs with consistency that human workers find difficult to match over extended periods. The challenge: data quality. Despite these advanced construction technologies, there's a significant obstacle. Poor quality data continues to undermine the reliability of analytics and AI solutions. This reduces return on investment and limits both operational and competitive advantage. The industry is learning that implementing robust data governance frameworks is essential to realize the full benefits of digital tools. Without clean, standardized data, even the most sophisticated construction technologies cannot deliver their promised results. The workforce transformation. These construction technologies are also reshaping workforce requirements. The industry needs 499,000 new workers by 2026, but the skill set is shifting. Instead of only traditional craft roles, the industry now requires data scientists, digital engineers, and specialists capable of managing AI-driven insights. By 2031, 41% of construction workers are expected to retire, while only 10% of current workers are under 25. This creates urgency for attracting younger talent who are comfortable with digital tools and can bridge the gap between physical construction and digital innovation. The data center boom. One major driver of construction technology adoption is the explosive growth in data center construction, fueled by AI and hyperscale computing demand. Power demand from U.S. data centers could grow more than five-fold by 2035, reaching 176 gigawatts from 33 gigawatts in 2024. These complex projects require cutting-edge construction technologies to meet tight deadlines, manage intricate electrical and cooling systems, and ensure operational efficiency from day one. Looking ahead. As construction technologies continue evolving, firms that embrace digital transformation early are positioning themselves to overcome labor constraints, protect margins against rising costs, and deliver projects faster than competitors. The integration of cloud-native digital twins and AI agents is becoming standard practice. Organizations that institutionalize data governance, invest in continuous workforce development, and build ecosystem partnerships will thrive in this transformed landscape. The construction industry has historically been conservative about adopting new digital technologies, but that's changing rapidly. Those who adapt quickly will gain significant competitive advantages, while firms that resist risk, rising costs, shrinking margins, and strategic irrelevance. What do you think about these construction technologies? Which one will have the biggest impact on the industry? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you found this breakdown valuable, hit subscribe for more insights on how technology is transforming industries. Thanks for watching Tech Talk.